No, monster.
Mom, don't get me over here.
Why not?
Cause I'm tired of doing that games.
Ouch.
Careful. You don't want to fall backwards.
Mommy.
No, that would hurt.
Mommy, I want to go down. Wait, don't get me over there.
Are you scared? Go down the slide, Jeffrey.
I can't.
Sure you can.
Let's go. No, don't get me over there.
You gotta go potty? I got you.
Hey.
I'm no Amber. I got you.
I beat.